Namaste everyone, this is Avanti. And if you're new here, I went to Harvard for my undergrad and I graduated in the class of 2020. Actually, we might have an official graduation ceremony this year because we never had one because of COVID. Though if that happens, I will definitely, fingers crossed, show it to y'all. A couple months ago, I was back on campus and I met with a few students from India and South Asia. Let's go meet Sara. Hi Sara!
Hi,
How are you?
good. I'm doing really good. I'm from Panipat in Haryana, which is 100 kilometers away from Delhi. Resources aren't accessible to you as they are in like other metropolitan cities. So school wasn't a way for you to know how to apply to colleges abroad. So you had to actively make an effort to learn about the application process and then reach out for guidance. So it definitely was hard. I think the internet was a humongous resource as much as I hate it, but LinkedIn was so helpful because like you wouldn't know things. I wouldn't know things that I did unless I connected with certain people and saw the things that they were doing, and I thought, oh yeah, this is interesting. This is something that I might enjoy doing, and I applied. And even though I got rejected from some places, certain programs, I thought that at least I got to know about them. And after that, it opened up a lot of doors for me to seek guidance, to meet new people, and then that sort of multiplied, and then yeah.
So you stepped foot and what was the first thing you felt or you...
This is so sad, but I'm so underwhelmed because I expected everything to be like much more grandiose and fancier. Because when you hear about Harvard, the first thing is like, oh, this place is insane. It's beautiful, but then I came here and I was like, everything's so much smaller than I expected it to be. It's so sad. No, but that doesn't take away from the fact that it's very beautiful and it's amazing. But yeah, I remember one of the first conversations I had here was I was taking a picture of somebody here and they said, oh, this place is magical. It changed my life, and I was like, at that moment I realized, oh yeah, I'm actually here.
Okay, Sara was so sweet and she's also so gorgeous. I hope this video is helpful to you because, it's rare to get kind of one-on-one time with current students. So मैंने कोशिश की to give you a variety, including a couple from Nepal. But before we move on to the next student, this is not the only way you can access students. Besides YouTube, there is an organization called College Pass, which we're partnering with for this video, but they're incredible. I genuinely wish I had something like this when I was applying because they have an app, which I will show you right here, which has a bunch of different masterclasses, live streams, a lot from Ivy League alumni, and also campus tours. For example, some of these live streams are about applying to the UK or applying to specific universities. There's a bunch applying to Harvard, etc. And you're able to view these, play the lessons. It's very, very cool. They also have masterclasses from folks who went to these universities, so you're able to kind of see directly and all in one place. There's also live classes on the SAT, on test prep, and the UK, Ivy League, etc. Several types of videos and campus tours. It's really cool because there was never anything like this, which was a one-stop shop when I was applying, so I'm super excited that they have this. So they have a bunch of content, and besides that they also have advisors you can talk to one-on-one in real time. And the app is super easy to download. You just have to go to the App Store or the Play Store. And now let's go meet Devangana.
My name is Devangana Rana.
Amazing. Yeah. And where are you from?
So I'm an international student from Shimla, India, but I grew up in Urbana, Illinois, and I moved back and forth between the two countries.
I love that.
Yeah.
Wow. Being, I guess, from Shimla to Boston, I know you did live in other parts of the US, but did you feel any culture shock coming here?
To Boston, I think Boston is much bigger than like Urbana, Illinois, where I grew up. And Shimla is just like another vibe. Then either like, I couldn't believe it that I was just like at Harvard and I saw like John, like the statue, and I've like seen pictures of it. And like it's just like a famous like tourist spot, and I walk by it every day now. It's just so like crazy that like I'm here.
I know, right? It feels very dissonant.
For sure. And I applied to a lot of schools because I wanted like a generous financial aid package because like I really needed it.
Yeah.
And I think my best piece of advice would be to like only apply to like schools which are like give like private, like, so I only applied to private colleges and need-minded schools. So I think just like diversifying your like college list is like very important. And I had like the 5 schools that are named mine like memorized, so I like definitely applied to them. And I think what's just really important is just being your genuine self and your genuine story, and not like trying to be anybody else in your application, and not trying to be what you think a Harvard student should be, because Harvard students are like so different. And I just meet so many different people like every day from so many different backgrounds. So I think just being genuine to yourself and genuine in your application is my best piece of advice.
I know, it's an amazing piece of advice.
Yeah.
Okay, Devangana is also gonna go show us her dorm room, which is exciting. Agar aap chahate that the next time I'm on campus, I show you a variety of different types of dorm rooms, please let me know in the comments below, so I will do that.
Yeah.
Amazing, so this is Mauer.
This is Mauer. This is the crib.
This is the crib, this is your dorm.
Yeah. Really convenient location, and this is Phillips Brooks' house.
Yes.
It's like the volunteering.
It is a volunteering public service space, which, what are they doing an event here? It seems like they are. This room?
Yeah, so this is my suite. So to make sure like everybody has a single, we put one bed in the common room. So my suite mate from Montreal lives in the common room.
Amazing.
And then this is my room inside. And then
Okay, we're gonna go to your favorite spot and then we'll just hang out.
awesome. Yeah.
Devangana, gem of a human. Now let's go meet Prasid. Prasid is from Bombay as well. He went to Dhirubhai Ambani, and let's hear his perspective on Harvard. Where are you from?
Mumbai.
Now you are at Harvard. What are you studying?
I study applied math.
Just applied math?
Yeah.
Are you on any of the tracks?
I have a focus in the biological sciences, but it's pretty flexible.
So what did it feel like the first time you stepped back on campus?
Oh my gosh, I miss this place so much. I think I just wanted to be back from the second that we were sent away. And so it was kind of unreal to be back, to see so many people in the dining hall in those like familiar spaces again, but wanted to do this for so long, so I'm so glad. I think it's easy to want to conform to some sort of personality that you think would get in, or that people would like to see, but I think the authenticity in your application really matters, and it's just really important to be yourself and show who you are, and I think that's probably your biggest strength.
Amazing. After meeting Prasid, I was walking through Harvard Yard, jahan par the main academic buildings are, and this kid yells out to me saying,
Hi, you're Avanti, right?
and it turned out to be Ishan, who is a current student there from Nepal, and one of his friends is also visiting him. So let's go hear what Ishan had to say.
It took me like 2 weeks to actually feel that I was in Harvard. And yeah, also with the jet lag, I mean, I couldn't remember anything that I felt that time. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wow. And if you had one piece of advice to anybody from Nepal or an international country applying to colleges, what would you say?
Try to bring in your authenticity and background. Try to explore that in your essays, and also be good with your academics. And yeah, just show your true self in your application.
I love that. Up next, we have the queen, Sasha Agarwal. She's from Calcutta, and I've known her before she got into Harvard because she's part of this organization called the Period Society. Incredible girl. Though it was amazing to meet her in person and chat about her time at Harvard. So let's go hang out with her.
I'm Sasha. I'm from Kolkata, India. And right now I'm at Harvard with Avanti.
Yes, you are. We're in the Science Center. What was the first thing you felt when you stepped onto campus?
Really hot. Yeah, the 25th of October, it was insane. I almost had a heat stroke, and everyone prepared me for the Boston winter, so I had a closet full of winter clothes, and it was hot. It was so hot.
It was very hot.
Yeah,
oh my
but
gosh.
it was also crazy to just see everyone in person.
If there's anybody who is, say, from Kolkata or India or any other part of the world that thinks it's inaccessible to get here, what advice would you have?
Honestly, you'll lose nothing if you try. It's not inaccessible because I'm here and I see people from literally every walk of life, and everybody has a different background, and so you could come from anywhere and still be here. So apply, and maybe I'll get to see you one day on campus. And yeah, if there's anything you need, you're surrounded by people. There's me, there's Avanti, and we'd all be so willing to help you.
After meeting Sasha, I actually caught up with my friend Satvik. Satvik mere se ek saal bada hai, and he was also at Harvard for undergrad, but he's currently at Harvard Business School. So I asked him to give me a tiny tour of the business school so that you all get a little perspective on that. If you want a proper video on Harvard Business School and MBA ke liye kya karna padta hai, please let me know so I can do that the next time I'm on campus. But for now, enjoy this little sneak peek of the business school, and let's go hang out with Satvik. Hello!
Hello, hello.
What is your name?
Satvik Sudareddy.
Amazing. And where are you from?
I'm from Andover, Massachusetts.
And where did you go? I mean, you went to Harvard. You are currently at HBS. What did you study when you were an undergrad?
So I studied computer science with a minor in economics. And now, yes, I'm at HBS studying business administration.
I love that. What was your favorite part about your experience at Harvard?
Harvard undergrad?
Yeah.
The people, definitely. So like Harvard College had a really big South Asian community. So it was great just having that support network and that family away from home. I think Harvard does a good job of creating physical spaces where people can kind of come together and have a lot of spontaneous interactions and build relationships. So that was my favorite part.
What advice, because since you now have gone through the HBS process, like what advice would you have to people who are applying to Harvard undergrad or for business school?
I think what a lot of people don't think about is one thing HBS really looks for is some devotion to community. So if you can show in your application, if you're applying, that there was a community that you were passionate about and that you really worked to serve and worked to support, that is a big value add.
That's a really awesome pro tip. Okay, thank you, Satvik.
Bye.
So I hope this was useful. All of these people are so incredible. और अगर आप चाहते हैं, the next time I'm on campus, which hopefully will be for graduation in a couple months, I can make a few more videos. So jo bhi ideas hai, please let me know in the comments below so I can try and show you aspects that you may not be able to see through the internet. Please also don't forget to check out College Pass because they have a host of content about kind of preparing for college, which is incredible, and it's literally just an app that you can download. If you've been watching till here, comment below whose perspective you enjoyed listening to or watching the most from all of the people we saw. Okay, I hope this was helpful. All of these students are so incredible, और मैं और videos बनाने वाली हूँ education के बारे में. I also was on other campuses when I went a couple months ago, and I will be later this year. So please let me know what else is useful and any other places if you want to see anything else you want to know about Harvard. Until then, sending you lots and lots of love. Bye. It's so easy for me to forget, but I'm not at all.